Claire does it this way.
What's up, everybody? Well, guess what? We're going on a road trip to get more gear. What else is freaking new? The chaos continues.
And then that'll show up in the patch bay LV1 and then just route down for your music.
We're out here in Nowheresville, PA. We come out here, Kay's buying new speakers. It makes no sense.
Reading, Pennsylvania.
No, it's nowhere. Well,
not linked to the Reading Railroad on the Monopoly game board. It's not nowhere.
this freaking guy can't stop spending money. Kidding him?
I'm a sucker for the deal.
That's ridiculous, dude.
Stuff here all came in from. It's all good the way it is. He said you had a bunch of other stuff. I was going to poke through. Yeah, you got iTech sitting here. I was just going crazy looking for them.
We have enough. Got him. There he is.
Right?
How many more is in there?
4 more tops, 2 more subs, and the subs are like a weird old version or something.
Oh, man. Dude, what a disaster. My God, this guy's insane. He doesn't stop buying stuff. He's nuts. It's ridiculous.
This is probably the only workout you've had in the past 6 months.
Wait. Guys, where are they?
In your pocket. I just heard him jingle.
No, it's my car keys, dude. Oh, they're still in the elk. I'll check him. What the hell is he? I'm not even doing
Weren't they in the lock? They were in the lock and I took them out and I handed them.
If they're in the beak, we're after them. Gonna call them out?
They better not be, dude. They better not be.
Ah, sitting on him. Stupid.
Are you doing?
No, I wasn't shtick. That wasn't shtick.
Because you certainly do that enough.
Okay, for the people watching, you got to tell them where it all began. Just in case someone thinks you're like a trust fund kid who got money and stuff like that and started a company. But how did it happen?
How did it happen? Playing in a band with you. And I thought it would be easier to book bands that I wanted my band to open up for, right? Rather than try to politic and kiss ass in the scene and hope to get on these good shows.
Yeah, we weren't failed bands.
we definitely were. And after hiring a sound guy to do sound at those shows and paying him $400, I thought it was too much money and it'd be easier for me to buy a couple things for my PA, our practice PA, and then do the sound myself. And it sounded like total shit. And the question was, why does it sound so bad? Maybe if I buy this, it'll sound better. And that was the day I pushed the snowball down the hill.
Oh, keep buying, dude. To where we are now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but it didn't fall into any money.
No. I was working as an electrician, and every time I got a check, I went and bought another SM58, another SM57. You know, thank God for eBay. And back then, eBay's fees weren't quite as bad as they are now. So every time I had something that lasted 3 months, and then I sold it and tried to upgrade once I got a little bit more money. You know, for all the JBL marketing guys out there, they should know that it all started at Guitar Center, because JBL was the good shit at Guitar Center. And that to me was just like, oh well, maybe I can eventually sell these cheap carpet covered Yamaha boxes and get those JBL SRXs, you know.
Oh yeah.
And that kind of put me on the JBL path, and I haven't stepped off it since. You want to make it in a sound company, you better be willing to eat shit.
What do you mean by that?
You got to put up with a lot of nonsense. A lot of guys.
Oh yeah,
And you also got to learn how to be worth the money you're asking for. Most of the guys, they come in and they talk. This one talks to that one, and you know, how much is he paying you? Hey, if you don't mind me asking, how much is he paying you? How about this? Don't worry about what the other guy's getting paid, and worry about making yourself worth something. You know, oh, he's getting $500. I want $500, and then you're only gonna do $200 worth of work.
I'll say. What about touring guys like Rooney? I'm purposely I'm sending you a layup on that one at Donkey.
You mean the guys that get to walk in and tell me how to do my job?
Yes.
They don't know how to do it?
Yeah, exactly.
And the default answer is, why don't you have this piece of gear? Why don't you have that gear? How come you don't have this? Where's the lake processor? Why do I need a lake when the JBL program does it? I should interject more things that are going to possibly go bad, more cables that can go wrong, more time wasted troubleshooting. Less is more. People don't get that.
I'll say.
Guys that go on tour. It's a cush job. You get to walk in, play with all the toys, and then you guys, bye.
What about young guys who are trying to get into sound? What advice do you got for them?
You got to hope for a little bit of luck that a company needs somebody. like right then and there when you're asking them. And if they say no and they shoot you down, you should bug them a little. Always check in here and there. You got to kind of be like annoying to get in, you know. Somebody like Andrew, he sent me an email on just the right day, because I get emails like that all the time, and if I don't need a guy, I usually just glance at it and try to look at what kind of nonsense they put in their resume. I've worked on Avid Profile and Digico SD7, and I'm fluent with L-acoustics, and it's like Andrew, you know, a good resume that's honest is helpful, maybe, because Andrew's resume just said he's worked on X32, he's dabbled with an SC48, and I was like, oh good, a guy not trying to upsell himself. He's telling me what he really knows how to use, you know. I've had people that tell me they know how to use a profile, and then I call them up and ask them about a gig, and they're like, yeah, I'd be more comfortable if somebody else was there. It's like, so you lied to me, in other words, you don't know how to use it. That I get.
K's views on riders,
It all depends who's sending the rider. If I got a Mary J. Blige rider, she's going to get everything they're asking for. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But then you get, I'm not going to name bands, but you get blah, 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 band. They're playing in a college multi-purpose room, and the rider says things that are outrageous. And then the guys actually fight for it, you know?
because they don't know any better.
I just think these guys get in a position, and then the tour manager or the booking agent or whatever says, you got to give me a rider. And they think that means, oh, I want to learn how to mix on a Digico SD whatever. You know, I want to learn how to mix on an Avid S6L. When it's like, dude, you're in SC48 world and Yamaha M7 world. You know, I want the new Rivage PM10. People make riders and they're completely unrealistic about it.
Look at this. Sucko sessions with Rob. Look at him. Sucko, dude. You love him?
What?
Oh, man. He just told you to stack him? What the hell's he doing here? You're not supposed to be here, buddy. Come on, you're supposed to be delivering mail. What happened?
Hooky today. Post office.
Hey, don't say that. Oh, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, helping
My
him?
mom works for the post office. I know. What's he doing over there?
Sick. Look at Steve's face. He's tired of it. Look at him.
When will it end? So that's why he went to get the billboard.
Look at this, dude. The speakers never end. He just keeps buying. This guy. Endless supply of money, I guess. I don't know. Fancy pants.
Specific, there's some people that are never late. Rooney's never late. Rooney's never late. I know I don't need to say the name, but think of a Batman villain.